I guess you all know about University of Pennsylvania. It has one of the best dental schools in the world. For the very first time, I'm hosting a big international meeting in Rome where I meet 4 outstanding endodontists from UPenn. Doctors Sinko Kim, Martin Traub, Sam Kratchman and Metu Kohli will give birth, together with myself, to a major endodontic event with an ambitious objective: to combine the most modern technologies, biomaterials, and the most advanced operative procedures in orthograde and surgical endodontics with research evidence. We will discuss root canal instrumentation, the use of bioceramics in vital pulp therapy and in root canal filling, endodontic microsurgery and its complications, success and failure in endodontics. There will be an intense first day of conferences in which clinical and scientific topics alternate, followed by a second day of practical courses with a limited number of participants. So, the Endo World is meeting this year in Rome on October 15-16, 2022. Can't wait to see you there. I promise you a lot of new information in our discipline and of course, the best food in the world. See you there. Ciao.